Okay guys, so how's it going? It's nighttime, Friday night. Everybody's going home, everybody's getting ready to get their night started. I just had a first time experience with DoorDash where the restaurant was closed and they asked me to take a picture. And literally I was standing or sitting on my bike like a block away literally, and basically what they did is provide me to take a picture. Anyways, but yeah, the restaurant was closed and they wanted me to provide a picture of them, which all it was, it's like a counter and the lights were off. So I just took a picture of that, and then instead of getting the whole like tip, I just got like the base pay, I guess, and it was just like $3. But I was like, oh, that's easy money. But yeah, it's first time for that. Right now I have a pickup at a restaurant I don't think I've been to before, and it looks, oh god, looks like a Mexican restaurant. And yeah, let's go pick that up right now. I had a hard time looking for the restaurant, and it was the taco truck right next to me. Just the food was ready too, and the drink is bottled Coke, so that's good. Yeah, it's funny how Uber Eats or DoorDash has like the food truck addresses. It's like, I guess they'll be closed, and then when they're parked there, they can set themselves up as open. And the next spot is at the Chipotle on Olympic. That's where I was eating earlier. So let's get that one. Look how busy it is out here. Well, they got violin playing in the restaurant. This is why I like Fridays. It could be a little hectic, a little more dangerous, but I just like seeing the nightlife. Even if I'm a little left out because I'm working. See, at this time I don't mind riding on the sidewalk too much, because right now the cars are just all in a rush to get where they need to and get their night started. So yeah, I mean, you know, earlier in the day I would take it, but right now I gotta say, this new sweater or jacket I got from Costco is putting in work. Like, I feel no cold. Like I'm perfectly warm. So if you're doing deliveries, I recommend just go to Costco and get you one of those jackets, and you'll know what I'm talking about when you see them. They have the sleeves like this, and they have them in black, gray, green, and blue. Low-key, I hate doing deliveries to this building because no one's ever at the front. But let's check it out. Hopefully there is this time. Okay, so someone was down there, so it's all good. All right, so it was nice that someone was actually at the front, and so that didn't take long at all. It was smooth. Glad I got this one out the way. And for the next drop off, damn, look at those lights. Next drop off, I'm going back to the Hope and Flower building, where, you know, that building where the woman went missing. So I'm gonna be back over there right now. here we are. So let me just park my bike here. I don't see this building the same anymore after that. They're finding out about that.
Here or is it 11:14? It's right here. Another F as in Frank.
Okay, thank you. F as in Frank. All right, let's go. Let's get out of there. Yeah, as I was saying, I don't see that building the same anymore. And yeah, just thinking about that. It's like how someone go missing, and then it's like business as usual for these buildings. They just gotta keep on going and, you know, letting people in and out like it was just another day. But I think that's how it is out here. You know, just lots of things are always happening, good and bad. So I have 2 pickups at Sticky Rice. And they'll be going to close to like Flower and 12, basically where I was at, by the Staples Center. And this should be a decent pay, with the tip included and all that. Great. Thank you. You gonna let me through, Mr. Driver? Yes, thank you, sir. I've gotten so good at recognizing the streets where all the bumps are at and the dips, so I know when to, you know, stand up on my bicycle when I'm carrying stuff like this that has liquids, you know, or, you know, soup and that kind of stuff. It's like muscle memory. It starts coming to you a lot easy. It's always a little nerve-wracking right here, especially because these people are pulled over. You don't know if they're gonna open the door on you, and they're probably doing deliveries too. Whoa, it's a lot of cars here today. Let's go this way. All the people going to clubs, going to bars, going to restaurants. I love it. And people taking their dogs out to walks, for walks. Man, that's a big dog. I didn't trust that dog. That thing was huge. See, man, this is why I don't like this lane. People just throw themselves in it, playing with their lives, and they don't even know it. Alright, I got that order out the way. And I got one more. And there's something I noticed right now that Uber Eats has been doing. And maybe it's the third time that I've noticed it. Oh, I can't go that way at all. It's packed. Damn. It's gonna go through this way. Yeah, it's crazy packed over there. But yeah, anyways, what I've noticed is Uber has been having me pass the first customer, the closest customer, for like the third time already when I have these stacked orders. And I'm wondering, is this something where the other customer ordered before, and the customer, even though the second customer, even though if they were closer, are just pushed to second because they ordered later and they didn't choose priority. So I'm wondering if this is like a little way to kind of convince, for Uber to push the idea of prioritizing the orders, That way customers in the future are like, oh man, I got to get that priority. I better pay extra for it, I'm wondering if it's something like that they're trying to push. Because it's really weird how they just how they made me basically skip this other person, and they were just down the street of the restaurant I just came from. Maybe I'm just speculating here like always, but who knows. Thank you. Appreciate it. I think I need permission though. I don't think this is gonna work. Nope. And so when I get up here, I just hope that I find this apartment like easily, because I have a drink in here and I'm carrying this by hand. I'm getting more familiar with this building, so that wasn't too bad. So next pickup is at Umami Burger for some good pay, and I don't think it's that far. Okay, for this order, it's like a huge meal. Looks like a family meal, and it has a drink on it, in it. Just one. It's like one lemonade. That means I'm gonna have to pedal, not pedal at all the way over there. and it's basically at Little Tokyo area.